If you have started studying Python, you might have wondered or you might have came across this statement, name equal to main. So you might have wondered what exactly it is and how exactly it works. So let me explain how it works. So before explaining that, let me tell you what a Python interpreter is. So in layman terms, it means that it is a program which reads and executes your code, whatever you write. So coming to this statement, here consider here the name and underscore name or underscore. Here this is a global variable. Keep in mind. Okay, so if this Python interpreter is running that module, which is the source file, here t1.py as a main program, it sets this special name variable to have value name. You might, as I've earlier said, name is a global variable. If this file is being imported from another module, then this name will be set the module's name. So let me explain like using code. So let's print out the name variable over here. So let me clear this out, and Python 3t1.py. So you can see that it prints out main because the Python interpreter is running through this t1.py. So let me now import this t1.py to t2.py. So you can do this by import t1. Okay, let's save it and run it. So as you can see that prints out t1. This is because the interpreter interprets that this import file is coming from t1.py, which is the source file. So let us take another example. Print name in this module once again. So here, as you can see, it prints out main again. This is because the Python interpreter is running at t2.py. Hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.